How to add a link to another page in Wix. So from the left hand side, we want to click on Add Elements, and right here we will have to first choose the button or image that we want to add a link to. So for example, I'm going to do this one, featured. So I'm just going to drag and drop right here, and once we have selected this button, then right here you will see this option for a link. We want to click on it, and basically here's what we choose, where we want this button to lead to. So which page. It can either lead to another page on your own website, to a different web address, email, phone number, document, so on and so forth. But if you want to lead it to another web address, then you just paste the address here and then you click on done. And once people click this button, it will take them to a different link. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.